English with Matt presents colors. Black. The cat is black. Black. White. The egg is white. White. Red. The apple is red. Red. Blue. The bird is blue. Blue. Green. The turtle is green. Green. Yellow. The banana is yellow. Yellow. Orange. The orange is orange. Orange. Pink. The pig is pink. Pink. Purple. The grapes are purple. Purple. Brown. The dog is brown. Brown. Gray. The crown is gray. Gray. Okay, so now that you've heard the colors, now I want you to say them with me. So we're going to review them together. And I want you to watch my mouth as we say them together so you can get your mouth in the correct position, okay? So let's start with the first one here. Black, okay? Black. White. White. Red. Red. Blue. Blue. Green. Green. Yellow. Yellow. Orange. Orange. Pink. Pink. Purple. Purple. Brown. Brown. Gray. Gray. Okay? Black, white, red, blue, green, yellow, orange, pink, purple, brown, gray. Okay? And before you leave here, I have some questions for you about your colors, okay? So you can comment your answer. What is your favorite color? Okay? My favorite color is black. Okay? What's yours? What color is your shirt right now? Okay? Right now, my shirt is black and gray. Okay? What color is your house? My house is blue. What color is your house? What color is your car? And me, I don't have a car, but my last car I had was red, okay? So, leave your answers in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!